Welcome back to Weekend with Reigncane. I'm Brian, host of the show, co-founder of Reigncane, and today we have the first ever Weekend with Reigncane cocktail that involves a blender. So I'm excited to present this one to you guys. Did a test run, turned out great. Let's get into it. The first thing that we're going to need to do is throw a couple of strawberries into our blender. So I'm just going to throw in 4. Then we're going to add 2 ounces of Reigncane. And we're going to top that off with half an ounce of simple syrup. Of course, more simple syrup, the sweeter it will be. Last but not least, don't want to spray myself in the face. Last but not least, half an ounce of, wow, I'm tired, it's been a long week. Half of a lime squeezed in. Then to get the correct measurement of ice per glasses that we're gonna fill, I'm gonna fill up my glass with ice about 75% of the way and blend it. Cheers to Weekend with Reigncane. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Super refreshing. Wanted to make one blended with ice because it's summer and it is hot. So here you go. Cheers.